Welcome to Oseyimika Aduloju math tutor. So today we're going to be finding the solution to this math problem. We have to find the perimeter and the area of this triangle. So note that this triangle is a right angle triangle. So first of all, what we're going to do is to label this triangle with any letter. So we're going to be labeling this A, B, C. So now we have triangle ABC. So now label the sides of this triangle. This side will be C. Let's label this side to be C, and this side to be side B, and this side is side A. So now to find the perimeter of this triangle, we have to know what this side is and this side is. So we're going to be finding the value of this side C and side B. So to do that, we're going to be using Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem, we know that the hypotenuse square equals to the opposite square plus the adjacent square. And we know that the hypotenuse square is the longest side of the right angle triangle, which is facing the angle 90. This side is the angle 90. So the hypotenuse square is this square. So our opposite square, though we're not giving any angle, so we can use any of the remaining two sides as the opposite square or as the opposite of the adjacent. So let's call our opposite to be C. So our opposite is C, that is C squared plus adjacent, which is A. So now we're only giving our A. We're giving only A to be 1 So this square equals to C squared plus 1 square. So now B square equals to C squared plus 1 square. Let's punch it in our calculator. 1 square equals 10,201. 10,201. So now let's subtract both sides by C squared. So B squared minus C squared equals to 10201. If we look at this B squared minus C squared, when we have something like this, A squared minus B squared, it can also be written as A plus B multiplied by A minus B. That is differences of two squares. So we're going to be following this rule. So we are given B squared minus C squared. So it can also be written as B plus C multiplied by B minus C equals to 10201. If you notice, this B, the left hand side has two factors, but the right hand side has only one factor. So we're going to be making this right hand side to also have two factors. So I'm going to be having B plus C multiplied by B minus C equals to 10201 multiplied by 1. So now we're going to equate the first factor to the first one here, then the second factor to the second one here. So we have B plus C equals to 10201, then B minus C equals 1. So let's name this equation 1, then this equation 2. So now let's add, our form is simultaneous equation, right? So we're going to be adding equation 1 and equation 2 together. So equation 1, let's write out the equation now. B plus C equals 10201. So when we add them together, B plus B, which equals to 2B, plus C plus minus C, that is C minus C, that is 0. So this one is equals to nothing. So equals 10201 plus 1, that is 10202. So to find our B, we'll divide both sides by 2. When you divide both sides by 2, let's punch in our later 10202 divided by 2. So we have 5,101. So our B equals 5,101 centimeter. So centimeter, because this is in centimeter, we have to put this in centimeter also. We have to put this in centimeter also. So I've gotten our B. Now to get our C, I'm going to put B equals to 5,101 into any of these two equations. So let's put it into equation 1. So put B equals 5,101 into equation 1. Equation 1. So our equation 1, let's write out our equation 1. Our equation 1 is B plus C equal to 1020. So let's input our B into this equation. So 5,101 plus C equals to 10,201. So C equals to 10,201 minus 5,000. When we bring this to be, when this cross the equals to saying change to minus because this is in plus. So we have 5,000. When we punch in our calculator, so 10,201 minus 5,000. Our C equals to 5,100. C equals our C equals 5,120. So I've gotten our C to be 5,100 centimeter, B 5,101 centimeter. So now let's go and find this. Let's now find the perimeter and the area. Let's go. So now that we've gotten the many sides, so our triangle now is complete. Now we're going to be finding the perimeter. So to find the perimeter of this triangle, we're going to be adding the three sides together. So when adding the three sides together, we're getting the perimeter. So the perimeter of the triangle ABC, our name is triangle ABC. So the perimeter because of 5100 plus 5101 plus 1 plus 101. So when we push that into our calculator, we're going to be having, so 5100 plus 5101 plus 101 now equals to 10,302. So our perimeter equals to 10,302 centimeters. So now I've gotten this is our perimeter of the triangle. So now our area, the area of triangle ABC equals to, we know that the formula for the area of a triangle, the formula for the area of a triangle is 1 over 2 base times height. So now let's indicate our base and our height from this triangle. So our base, the base of this triangle is 101. This is the base, then this is the height of the triangle. So our base, the area of the triangle equals to 1 over 2 times base, which is 101 times the height, which is 5,100. So we have 1,550. Our area equals 257,150 centimeters square. So our area is always in centimeters square. So I've gotten our perimeter and the area of this triangle. So I've gotten the perimeter and the area of this triangle. So please do help to like this video, share to your friends, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and leave a comment under this post. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.